want to walk you through the refill kit for the Decent Espresso machine. And it's 3 different parts. So one part is a drip tray that's got a drain in it, and let me take this off. You can see what we've done is we've made a ceramic drip tray with a built-in hole. So there's no screw or anything. There's also a slight lean that starts here so that water drains out. And then in here, you can see what we've done is we have this silicone black tube that fits over the back of this. And then that connects over here through this connector onto a much longer tube that can then go around here to the waste bin. And what we've done is we've colored black all the waste water. So white is clean water, black is dirty water. You'll also notice that everything is opaque because one of the things we found was that sun caused algae to grow in the water lines. So we're doing opaque tubing everywhere. We have 2 versions of this box. This is the catering kit, and what the catering kit does is it sucks water up from a water tank like this. And the white water tube plugs in here. It then goes into the back of this machine here. This is a pump which plugs in with this Ethernet cable into the espresso machine here. This is the on-off switch. When you turn it on, that light indicates a connection. And this light on the right is going to light up when water is being sucked up. So when the espresso machine needs water in the water tank, it sends electricity over this cable to this box, which then sucks water up into the big tube, and then out of the smaller tube, which is connected into the back of the espresso machine. One thing about all this cabling is we've made this thing so that you can put it in like so, and then that way it won't fall off the back of your espresso machine. However, we also think it's a good idea to want to mount it, for example, underneath, or just use the feet here to put it inside a counter. So these are standard tubes and standard cables. You can locate this as much as 3 meters away from the espresso machine, and it'll still manage to fill. And then that way all your tubing here could be concentrated into a single hole in your countertop and go down cleanly. We also make a version of this which is called the plumbing kit. It's just the same as this, except that instead of a tube sucking water out, it takes line water that's under pressure, lowers the pressure, and then has a valve which turns water on into the espresso machine whenever you need it. So those 3 components, the catering kit, the plumbing kit, and the plumbed drip tray, all comprise what we call the refill kit, which comes for free with the Pro and the Cafe versions of our espresso machine. Also, if you own the D1 Plus, you can buy each of these things separately, whatever you need, and add them to your existing espresso machine. So if you have any questions about how all of this works, please leave a comment and I'll do what I can to help.